Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're looking at the crypto mining game. We're going to be looking at how the account has changed. We got more competition winners. We're also going to be seeing how we got on in the VMP League. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so before we get into the main part of the video, I just want to say a big congratulations as we've got two more players that have managed to get to level 15, claiming 50,000 satoshis each, and those players are Hitboy and Elvild, or Elvild. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that second name. Sorry if I've messed it up, but anyway, a massive congratulations to those players for claiming that 50,000 satoshis and getting to level 15. Okay, so it's been a week or so, or even a couple of weeks I think, since the last video that I did. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly check the numbers and then get into the rest of the video. Okay, so 2 weeks ago when we were in here last, we were at level 17. We were at about 89% to level 18. As you can see now, we have actually reached level 18 and we're 7.34% into that. H power, we were at 1,350. You can see now we're at over 1,400, and LTC we were at 549,230, and you can see just there we're nearly at 900,000. Now the great thing with that is that once we hit 1 million, that is then eligible to make a withdrawal. So hopefully in the next video we should have made that withdrawal and I will be able to bring you a payment proof on that, which would be obviously really good. Okay, so recently, very recently in fact, I was asked what CGT is. Basically CGT is the crypto mining game token, so essentially it's their in-game currency. Now at the moment you can't really do a whole lot with this. It takes a long while to build up to get to a minimum withdrawal with CGT, but basically what I've been doing with it, if we go into the shop, ooh, get rid of that pop-up, we go into the shop, basically in the shop there are, I mean, to be honest with you, this is only really going to be sort of useful or for people that are looking to upgrade their accounts and are possibly taking part in the crypto mining war. So basically when you come into the shop, you get these little sort of card packs. So obviously you can see Astro Girl there, you can get a pack of 25, Mining Tower pack of 50, and Battle Drones a pack of 100. Obviously this helps boost those particular cards, and then therefore you should be able to upgrade them or bring you closer to the point of upgrading them to the next level. If you go into the little drop downs, obviously you can buy these with currency that you have in your account, and you can use CGT. So I actually had I think it was about 2 million or something like that recently, and I basically came in and I bought a couple of packs. I think I bought Hacker and I bought something else, and that is basically all I've really found that is useful that you can do with CGT right at this moment, as the options are pretty thin on the ground as to things you can really do with it. Also remember, obviously, for those of you that aren't aware of this, you can come in every few hours and claim a free set of cards. The time is at the top here. somewhere. So there you go. I think it's about every 4 or 5 hours, and as you can see there, in 42 minutes or just over 42 minutes, I'll be able to come in and collect another set of cards. The last one I did was the anti-spyware one. Not sure obviously what the next one will be. Okay, so for those of you that are not really familiar with what CryptoMiningGame is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a playlist. Now that playlist now does contain quite a few videos. Most of them actually contain hints and tips and telling you how you can get the best out of this program and ways to boost your account and things like that. But if you don't want to go through all of them, just make sure you check out at least the very first one. That is called basically how to it just shows you the minimum that you need to be doing to be earning coins from this program. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so also, as many of you know, that we do take part in the crypto mining war. We have a VMP, which is the virtual mining pool, and the point of the crypto mining war is basically that you are there trying to attack other players, build up your victory points, and take your VMP higher and higher through the leagues to earn prizes. Now, over the last season, so the first 2 seasons, I pretty much allowed anybody to join the VMP. In the last season, what I did was I particularly looked at players that had either scored no points and also players that seemed to be only scoring the bare minimum to earn prizes. Now, so basically, many of you might have found that you were no longer in the VMP. And to be honest with you, most of the people that I removed were on 0 points anyway, so I just gathered that you were not interested in being part of the crypto mining war. So in the first 2 weeks, after the first 2 weeks, I removed everybody that was on 0 points and was actually below the level required to be in the VMP. So I think at the time the level was level 16, so I removed everybody that was at 0 points and below level 16. Then a week later, what I did was I removed everyone that was on 0 points and was level 16 or above. So that got rid of a lot of players. Then in the final week, what I did was I removed anybody that had only scored like 20 or 30 points. And because for me, and it might seem a bit unfair, but the VMP is sort of, it's for people that just want to go that extra sort of put in that extra bit of effort to the game, you know, and want to basically just participate in the game that little bit more, and obviously then I want them to be rewarded for doing that. But like I say, when you've got various, you know, some people that are earning 18,000 victory points, and then you've got another person that's got 10 or 20, but they're going to get the exact same amount of rewards, then for me that is just unfair. You know, those people at the top of the VMP have put in a huge amount of work. There's numerous players that are earning over 1,000 victory points. There's still some people in there that are in the hundreds. I've left those people in there, but those that were in just the tens, then I've removed them, because like I say, I want the rewards to be going to you out there that are really putting that work in and helping move the VMP up the leagues. Okay, so let's go and check out how we got on anyway. So if we go into these pop-ups. Go in here, go to Crypto Mining War. The new season has started, so for those that are working at it, then you can start building up your victory points now for the up and coming season. Okay, so if we go all results. Okay, so in the last season, I think we got to about was it 20th or 23rd or something like that. So this top ranking is obviously for all the individuals. And then if we scroll down here, you can see us. This is the latest. We finished at 13th. So we were only 3 off hitting the next level, which we would have earned more, obviously more we would have earned more points, and that would have given us bigger prizes, because basically the next level is the top 10. Once you get into the top 10, you earn bigger prizes. But anyway, divided by 24 of us, we got 417 crystals each. We got 834 coins, and we got 42 cards, which go towards obviously our decks to upgrade them to help us in the next coming season. Okay, so I've not actually opened up my war chest yet. So if we dive in here, here it is. This is the war chest. You can see that I've got a few more to unlock and stuff like that. In fact, just click on that to unlock them. Get them unlocking. So we'll have, what's that, 15 that are being opened. Okay, so just wait for that. Okay, click on that. Okay, so obviously we're going to get a lot of cards, but all of this, these all go towards obviously boosting our packs. So yeah, so I mean, this lightning one I actually have in my decks. What else? Oh yeah, there's more there. I think they're the only ones. That's the only one I actually use in my Crypto Mining War decks. But either way, obviously we got all those extra crystals and we got the extra coins as well, which all help when, even if you're not involved in the Crypto Mining War, but just generally doing the missions, the world missions, collecting items, stuff like that. You need coins and you need crystals to be doing that. Okay, so I know it's short and sweet, but if you are interested in those earlier videos, then it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching, and if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.